the triumph of the communist revolution in China in 1940.
In the world of reality, apartheid as a system of control with almost unlimited grants of power at the disposal of ministers and administrators.
I believe the young people of the world have much in common. For one thing, we all share the effects.
It's clear that we have another revolution well underway, but really only in its early stages, begun in the last 20 years or so.
We should be able to move through this world freely, safe and strong in our bodies. We should be able to thrive unfettered by the chronic malignancy that is misogyny.
Each year, McGill University brings a distinguished visitor to deliver the series of talks known as the Beatty Lectures, which were established as a memorial to Sir Edward Beatty,